quickly touch on the fog. That dense fog advisory has now expired, but there is some reduced visibility stuff still up towards the Prue area, Muncie as well, where you can see it's a half-mile or less. So if you're traveling up 31 or Interstate 69, just know that you'll be running into some reduced visibility, at least for the next hour or so, and then it'll start to diminish. Lots of clouds here as you look in the Carmel area. Currently just mostly cloudy skies, but we will start to bring in some of the rain to central Indiana here. It's 50 still in Indianapolis, 52 in Greenwood, 54 in Bloomington. So nice and mild, but these temperatures are about to take a big-time tumble as well. So here's what's on radar right now, and the heaviest shower just moved through the Greensburg area, another light one near Shelbyville, and that is just about it. But back off to our west, that's where we find kind of a line of showers and even a few thunderstorms lining up along this cold front. And this cold front's going to sweep its way all the way across the state throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. So some heavy rain will be around this afternoon compared to this morning. And you already noticed from Lafayette to Crawfordsville, we're starting to bring in some heavy rain by about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll be pushing here into the metro area between about 3 and 4 o'clock, and then eventually off to the eastern side of the state. And I would not be surprised maybe if you hear a few rumbles of thunder throughout the course of the afternoon as this cold front starts to make its way through. We are not expecting any severe weather, but there will definitely be a round of some pretty heavy rainfall, which will influence the evening commute. So plan on that. By 6:30, the heaviest of the rain is through, and then we'll just bring in some scattered showers throughout the remainder of the evening, and it may mix in with a snowflake or two, but we are not expecting any wintry accumulation since the bulk of the precipitation at that point will be well off to our east. So we're mild right now, but notice the trend here throughout the remainder of the day. We'll go into the 40s by mid-afternoon, and then by this evening, we will be down into the 30s, and by tomorrow morning, when you walk out the door, it is a completely different story. The actual temperature will be really right around 19 degrees, but we'll have a gusty wind, so your wind chill value tomorrow morning as you walk out the door will be right around 0 degrees, and then it remains breezy throughout the entire day with a high temperature of only about 26 degrees. Now Thursday, we get a reinforcing shot of cold air, and that is going to spread some snow showers into the area throughout the morning and afternoon on Thursday. The heaviest of the snow right now looks like it'll be across the southern half of the state, and it's very quick moving, so we're not looking at any impressive snowfall totals, but with temperatures on Thursday that'll only be in the teens, it'll fluff up pretty quickly and stick on the roadways right away. So it's generally an inch or less for most of us. We could see some 1 to 2 inch totals, though, I think, though in southern locations. Again, that is on Thursday. That will reinforce the cold air. By Friday morning, we are down into the single digits, a high of only 20 by Friday afternoon. And then we'll go through the weekend with temperatures that'll be in the 20s as well. So essentially, tonight we go below freezing, and then we will not get back above freezing until maybe Tuesday of next week. So it's a pretty prolonged period here of some very cold air. And of course, be on the lookout for some pockets of heavier rainfall later on this afternoon as that front goes through.